Photosynthesis is one of the most important processes in biology. It is the process by which green plants make their own food. Without photosynthesis, most life on Earth would not exist. In this lesson, we will build the idea of photosynthesis step by step, so each part connects clearly to the next. Photosynthesis is a very important life process in plants. It is the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. In other words, plants do not need to eat like animals. Instead, they produce food for themselves using energy from light. Note, in exams, always remember that photosynthesis is described as a process, not a reaction or event. Now, building on that idea, photosynthesis is carried out by green plants. This includes trees, grasses, shrubs, and even algae. The key word here is green. This green color is not just for appearance, it plays a vital role, which we will explore next. If a question asks which organisms photosynthesize, always mention green plants and algae. So, why must plants be green? This is because they contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found inside leaf cells. Its job is to absorb light energy from the sun. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis cannot happen. Exam tip. Examiners often ask for the function of chlorophyll. The correct answer is that it absorbs light energy. Now that we know chlorophyll absorbs light energy, the next question is, where does this energy come from? The main source of light energy is the sun. Sunlight provides the energy needed to drive the entire photosynthesis process. Therefore, without sunlight, photosynthesis cannot take place efficiently. Exam tip. If asked about the energy source for photosynthesis, always state light energy from the sun. However, light energy alone is not enough. Plants also need raw materials to make food. These raw materials are carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny holes, while water is absorbed by the roots. Now let us focus on where photosynthesis happens inside the plant. Photosynthesis mainly takes place in the leaves. Inside leaf cells are special structures called chloroplasts. These chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which traps light energy. Exam tip. In exam questions, be specific. Say chloroplasts, not just leaves or cells. Once light energy, carbon dioxide, and water are available, the plant can make food. The main food produced is glucose. Oxygen is also produced as a waste product. This oxygen is released into the air through the leaves. If asked for products, always name both glucose and oxygen. Glucose made during photosynthesis is very important. Firstly, it is used by the plant to release energy. Secondly, it helps the plant grow. Excess glucose is converted into starch for storage. Students often forget storage. Remember that glucose can be stored as starch. The rate of photosynthesis does not always stay the same. It is affected by several factors. These include light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, and temperature. If one factor is low, it can slow down the process. Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. It provides food for plants, which supports all food chains. It also produces oxygen needed for respiration. Without photosynthesis, most living organisms would not survive. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also rewatch to answer the questions. To summarize, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. It uses light energy absorbed by chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose, with oxygen released. Understanding these key ideas will help you answer exam questions confidently. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.